In this exercise, we will learn the Color Sampler tool. The Color Sampler tool is basically used for picking a sample of color and displaying the color value in a figure. Okay, let's see how this tool works. If I right-click on the eyedropper tool underneath the 3D Material eyedropper tool, we have the Color Sampler tool. Unfortunately, in this course, we are not covering the 3D Material eyedropper tool. My suggestion is that we have many other softwares for 3D, like 3D Max, Maya, Fuse, etc. Okay, now let's just see how the Color Sampler tool works. You can also select this color by pressing Shift and I on the keyboard to use this tool. Okay, I have selected this tool, and if I click on the image anywhere, you can see it is marked with 1. And on the other side, it has opened an info panel. Actually, it tells us the value of color in RGB numbers, red, green, and blue. Okay, if I move my point where I click, we also see that it's CMYK color value. Okay, if I click many times, you can see we have a many points sample, and we have all of its color info. If you would like to delete any point, you can just press and hold the Alt key and click and delete it. You can also see options here. You can choose any of them, and next you can clear all points from here. This is the best tool if we would like to know what a color value of an image or specific part of an image is. Okay, in the next exercise we will learn the ruler tool.